Today, we are diving into the most effective method to use mamopay without paying any fees. Mamopay has become one of the leading digital payment platforms, but like many services, it often charges small fees for transfers or certain transactions. The method I'm about to show you allows you to move money, pay bills, and even send funds to friends or family without incurring a single cent in fees. The key to a zero-fee experience on mamopay lies in using the platform's peer-to-peer transfer option combined with certain wallet funding methods. Funding your account with a direct bank transfer from supported banks immediately avoids card processing fees, which can sometimes reach up to $3 per transaction. Once your wallet is funded, all peer-to-peer transfers between mamopay users become entirely free. Next, when making payments, always use the mamopay in-app payment options instead of external links or third-party integrations. These in-app transactions bypass merchant fees that can accumulate over time. For bill payments, check if the service provider is listed as an official partner. Partnered billers often allow fee-free payments when processed through mamopay directly. Additionally, mamopay occasionally runs promotional periods where transfers, airtime purchases, or utility payments are entirely free. Keeping the app updated ensures you can take advantage of these zero-fee promotions instantly. By combining direct bank funding, peer-to-peer transfers, in-app partner payments, and staying updated on promotional offers, you can consistently use mamopay without ever paying a fee. This method not only saves you money but also maximizes the convenience and efficiency of the platform. With this approach, every dollar you transfer or pay stays in your pocket, making mamopay a truly cost-effective solution for digital payments.